Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Tech9M. So in this video I'm going to show on how to fix updates failed and also how to fix Microsoft Defender not working. So this method will work for both. Just connect your PC to the internet. As you can see, it says updates failed. The error 0x80070643. That's the error message. So just follow the simple steps. This is the article on the Microsoft website. As you can see, shows you on how to fix this error. So yeah, if your running PC does not have a Windows recovery environment partition, you do not need this update to verify. If you have Windows recovery enabled, you can run the following command in the cmd reagent/info. So this update is about 250 MBs. So it's 250 MBs, as you can see. So this is an article on the official Microsoft website. I've provided the link in the description box. Okay, so just follow the simple steps in this video. So I'm just going to scroll down. That's the error, installation failure. That's 0x80070643. So search bar, click cmd, search cmd, run as an administrator. Okay, just click yes, then run the following command: regency/info to check if the Windows RE is enabled or disabled. So regency/info. So as you can see, the Windows RE status is disabled. Now run the following command to enable it: Windows regency/enable. Wait for it. So sometimes it takes about 30 seconds or maybe a minute, so just wait for it. So as you can see, operation successful. So we have to run the command again to see if it's enabled. So regency/info to see if Windows RE status is enabled. Okay, as you can see, it's enabled. So just minimize the app and then restart your PC. So I'm just going to I'm going to stop this video and then I restart my PC. I'm going to continue after restarting my PC. Okay, I've successfully restarted my PC. Now I have to retry if the update to be able to update my PC or if the error has been fixed. So as I said, this will help for those that the Microsoft Windows Defender offline is not working, the offline scan is not working. This method is, so just click on retry. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet. So it's checking for updates. If this video is helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So as you can see, your update or you are up to date. Yeah, so as you can see, I have successfully updated my PC to the latest. As you can see, the time it has updated. So I've successfully updated. Please don't forget to subscribe